Hi guys, it's Tim from Create-A-Lase, and today, what are we doing? I think we've got a parcel coming. We've got a parcel. Alrighty-o. I think we're doing an unboxing. Hey guys, it's Tim from Create-A-Lase, and I'm just showing you here that look what I just got in the mail. How cool is that? Right, we've got this cool new lens. It's a Sigma 16mm lens. Looking pretty cool. So we'll just we'll open this up for you. What do you reckon? All right, guys. So finally got my Sigma 16mm lens here, and what we'll do is we'll open her up and show you what's coming. It's probably going to be a little bit of a boring one here, but a few little cards in here. We got some a warranty sticker and some bits and pieces of paper. Probably tell you how to use this thing, but we don't need that stuff. Right, this is how they come packaged. It's like a little egg carton setup. So we'll rip this out of here, throw that aside. There we go. Here we go, a little unboxing for you guys. The Sigma 16 lens. That's how she comes packed in there. So we'll open it up, and we've got a little hood piece here. So there's a little hood. It's kind of cool. Throw that away. And here's the lens. Rightio. Got the nice lens there. And that's it. The Sigma 16mm lens. Alright guys, hold on a bit and we'll show you some shots of it. See how we go. Hey, got ourselves a parcel here. There we go. So finally she's turned up. So let's get into it. What we'll do is we'll grab ourselves a knife and we'll start digging into this old box here. So we've got a parcel coming in. We'll just open her up. Let's see what's inside. I think you can already guess, eh? Little packing beans. Throw them down into our bin. What have we got in here? Look what we got! Oh, she's got packing beans going everywhere here. Don't you love these little packing beans? Whoa! What else is in here? That's what we got. Now, let's get into this fella. See what we got. There you go, guys. Check that out. Right, we'll bust that little seal there apart. So we've never actually had a proper camera before. We've only ever used a just an iPhone. But now we're going to start using an actual camera. So you got some sort of blurry thing. Content creators. Join ZV Nation. Show off all our work. And we got little bits of paper coming from everywhere. Lenses and quick start guides and oh my god. Looks like Sony likes to print lots of paper. And there we go. And here we go. There we go. This is what we got. So, got ourselves a little dead cat. Power cable that looks like it belongs to the UK. This one's a bit more Australian. So they're the plugs that we use over here. And get ourselves a charging point. A little Sony battery. Aha! There you are for all you Americans. We got one of those. And just the little Sony strap. And the USB-C cable. Now, this is the one. So there's nothing else in here. Throw that one away. And the camera. Look how nice that is. There you go, guys. So she just flicks out, rotates it around, close back in to keep it all hidden, so that way you don't damage that screen. It's a very small little compact camera, this one. It's nice and light and little, so that's a bit more of our style because we don't really know what we're doing. So we need something pretty easy to go. So, we'll have to check that with our lens and we'll start showing you what it looks like. So, we'll just open this battery pack up just by sliding that little clip there across. And we'll throw this battery in. We need to grab an SD card. Might want to put that in there. Hold on. And we've got our SD card here. So what we end up getting was just the Extreme Pro. Just that way it goes fast enough to record whatever we need to record. This should be quick enough. And we'll bust this open. And a little bit of a bonus unboxing. If we can even get into these childproof things. There it is. Throw that one away. And there we go. So slide this one. Like in there that way. There we go. Close that all off. Slide that across. Now, undo this frame. Undo this one. Yeah, we really don't know what we're doing, but this is my first time, so. Oh. That locks in. There we go. How's that? Haha. Pretty good. Right, what we'll do now is we'll open this up and let's fire her up for the first time. How do you do that? Flick that switch. Alright, I turn the switch to on. I think I need to press something. Or do we need some charge into that battery, I think? I'd say they gave us the battery pretty flat. We might go away and charge his battery a bit. Alright guys, we just plugged the old battery back into the power supply and we just chucked that into there for a little bit. We've seen that the light comes on up in there, if you guys can see that. And it did say, as soon as we turn that on, the battery's exhausted. Look, she's actually starting up. We might just let that go for a little bit longer. We'll turn her off. Just let that charge up for a little bit longer. But while we're charging it, we might chuck this dead cat on here. And there you go. Now it really looks pretty. We need to get a good mic for that one, but we'll see how we go with it for a bit. And we'll just let this charge for a little bit longer. We'll be back in a second. Alright guys, we've gave it a few minutes to charge up a little bit. So we'll go back to flicking her on. So turn around and we'll start her up. So we're going to select English. Select area, date and time. So our area, we get you guys onto this. Alright, so we can try and get her up in here so you can see what's going on. And just selecting across here. We'll move ourselves over to where we are, which is a little bit further across. Melbourne, Sydney. That's the one. And we do that. Rightio, what's this date and time over here? Figure it out. Alright, we set that date and time. We just need to go through the next windows. And there we have it. You might take that lens cap off. And look at that. Rightio, we're all up and running. So, that's the camera. What we're going to have to do is we'll start filming. Righto guys, we're going to just set this camera up and we'll be able to see you once we're seeing you through this one. We'll start filming with this camera and see what it looks like. Rightio, thank you. Hey guys, make sure you got to stay to the end. Come on, you got to stay to the end because you never know what we're going to do. So come on, let's go. Click that bell icon. Have you done that already? Bet you haven't. Have you done it? Come on, you got to click that bell icon. I'm telling you now. The one down there. That's right. Yeah, click it. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Come on, let's go. We're gonna go watch. We're gonna keep unboxing something. And there you go, guys. It's we're back here on the camera, and this time we're using the onboard microphone. We just want to see what that sounds like because it sounds a bit different. I've got the dead cat sitting on top of it, but just want to see how the audio sounds. I've even got my air conditioner running at the moment, so that may end up coming up in the background there, but we'll see how it sounds. Right, have a look. Hey guys, I was wondering why we weren't getting any audio out of my little lav mic. What I found here is, oh, go the other way. There we go. Yeah, wrong one. This one's for my phone. What I need is that little attachment. Oh, where am I going? if I hold it up this way, there we go. Get a product shot. You need one of these. Right, I'll plug it in, see how we go. Hey guys, I'm back again. I wonder if you can hear me now. I've got the lav mic turned on with my little adapter there. So hopefully that should work. There we go. Thank you. Alright guys, so I've just moved the, oh no, looks like the f1.6, f1.4. Wonder why that f point's changing around. It's keeping up. I don't get it. If I start recording, move that around. Nope, moving the lens doesn't do a thing. Hey. Wants to let more light in, wants to let less light in. I don't know what it wants to do. What's that do when I press that? Alright, now we've got a product shot going into the show. Hey! And there we go. Pull that out. There you go, guys. There you go, guys. Now we're back again. We got the we're on the Sony ZV-E10 with the Sigma 16mm lens. So how do you think the background looks now? It's looking pretty cool. This one's my iPhone actually. Yeah. And then there we go. We're back again on this camera. It's got nice, cool, blurry backgrounds. I don't know if we've blurred it too much or not enough yet, but we'll find out. And we're still trying to learn these settings. So you guys got any tips on what we should do and stuff? What formats we should be recording at and how we should use this? Give us a go. But I really love this camera, that Sony ZV-E10 with the Sigma 16 lens. I feel like it's pretty cool. It sets me off from the background, blurs me out a bit. I think it's pretty cool. The only thing is right now, we're actually filming at 4K, then we upload it at 1080p. And we're recording at 24 frames per second. So let us know what you think of that, and even got any tips or anything to maybe a bit better settings. Got anything better that we can do? Like, we need to try and improve our videos a bit. So just help us out, because we don't know what we're doing. It's only new. So yeah, if you really liked it, make sure you do like our video. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Hit that bell icon down there. That's right. And yeah, we'll see you on the next one. So you'll start seeing our videos pumping out with a little bit better quality now with this new camera, new lens. Rightio, happy making. See ya.